big guns in here.
1775 stuff. This is 1775 stuff.
Everybody getting new marching orders.
How can we
The big guns in here.
keep this where everybody can see it and appreciate it? That's what I'm seeing. Of course, make it look beautiful is another, primary goal, but still.
Well, tell us what you're seeing, what you're thinking.
I'm seeing a room based on how the color scheme that you're going to use in here, which I think is fine. And just walking into this room, you see, wow, what a beautiful, wow. You get that effect. Then you walk around, you look, and you say, oh my God, is this how it used to be? Is this it? Is this pre-America? This, actually, I can see this, I can feel this. I can only appreciate the talent of put this together way back then with the women, the resources, and tools that they had to work with. That's the amazing thing to me, how this thing is. I think it's going to be beautiful either way you go, but I still think that people need to be able to see this. This is what it's all about, history.
All right. I've been given new marching orders, everybody. My dad said he wants this wall to be shown. All right, here we go.